You guys will not believe the price of these. Might be the most expensive shoes I've ever seen in Nike. Holy cow. Literally the most expensive shoe I've ever seen in the Nike outlet. What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Cool with the Cool Kicks YouTube channel. We are back. We're back. My voice is all jacked up, but yeah, we are back for another video. Still out in Vegas. Got one last Nike outlet to hit up. This is the main one. Let's go. North Vegas Nike outlet at the, I think this is the North Vegas Premium Outlets. All right, let's go. 7 minutes after they opened, 10:07, 30% off the back wall. It's not super packed. Let's go. They do have a little heat section, and remember, heat section isn't the best thing because pretty much they're trying not to give us 30% off these items. I don't blame them, but you know, that is a real thing though. Size 11 of the red cement 4s, got some dunks. Remember, these are all retail, more dunks. Jordan 1s, the women's, going for $180. I don't know how they would have these. I haven't seen these in a cool minute. At the outlets at least. And then got some Del Sols, some 7s. Got some of those right there, some lows. And just some dunks right here, but that's pretty much about it. All right, they did have some pretty decent items. Nothing crazy though. Let's see what's up in the back section right here, so see what we could find for 30% off. As anticipated, I did see a lot of interesting stuff. Jordan 2s going for $150. This is the size 8, by the way. But Air Max 1 premiums, $110 for those. Blazer acronyms, we've been seeing a ton of these, $110. Jordan 1 mids. Oh, Jordan 1 highs, my bad. Jordan 1 high golf right here. This was small, they look different, my bad. But yeah, they are going for $180. Got ambush right here. Got the ambush adjust force going for $210. Multiple colorways of those bad boys. 8.5. Another one of these Air Max 1 premiums. I really do like these. These look freaking fire. Yeah, these are $160 right here. Red Forces, an 8.5, $150. Ion 2s going for $95 if you work at a construction site. Size 9, they got these Nike Mach Flow SP undercovers. Definitely look interesting. Not my cup of tea, but they got them for $130. Got some Air Force mids. We've been seeing these. I think we've been seeing them for cheaper in the aisles. I want to say $150 for those. Air Max 90, the Terra Escapes go for $90. Sakai Blazers $115. These are 8.5 though. Size 10. Curious to see the Blazer price because we've been seeing these for hella cheap at the retail shops. $105. I want to say we can find these for cheaper at the retail store. It's kind of crazy. Jordan 12 Golf right here going for $220. Got some interesting dunks right here. Dunk High premiums. If you like that trippy look or the old school hippie 70s look. That's all you right there. It even has like a retro looking box. $140. We're in the size 10 apparently. Jordan 37. I think this is Tatum colorway. Yeah, Jason Tatum colorway. I think this came out right before his signature shoe. Retail, I guess. $150 for these. These are 9.5 though. More Jordan 2s. I think we're gonna see a flood of Jordan 2s at the outlets. $150. Billie Eilish Air Force 1s going for $150. You do get that extra 30 off. I'm not a fan of all the straps, but like the material is just so freaking premium on these. Just so soft. Maybe without the straps, maybe, but that's how it's different from all the other ones, right? That's what it's all about. And then seeing a lot of the things that we saw in the smaller section. A lot of these, a bunch of these as well. With the Blazers, Air Max 1 premiums. Moving on to the 10.5. Do you see Air Force 1? These are the Ambush collab right here. Yeah, they come with the yellow laces as well. $130. So we're seeing prices go down. Witness 7s go for $100. That's kind of high. I saw this Jordan box. I was like, which one? Nah, it's a Jordan Liftoff. That's messed up, man. Size 11. You got more of these, which are pretty fire. Jordan 1 High Golf, kind of like a midnight navy colorway. I really think you could wear these for casual wear because Yeah, the bottom, not bad, not bad. Might even last longer, to be honest, because the outsole is a lot thicker. 180 for those. Scorpions. We've been seeing Scorpions for hella cheap. Kinda, I guess. 200 here. Size 12. Seeing a lot of what we saw in the smaller sections. Like, we're seeing a lot of the same stuff. And they're not bad items. They are fire items, but just seeing kind of the same stuff. We got the Air Max 1 Premiums. Been seeing these for a really good price, $130. You do get it dirty, a hell of a lot tougher than cleaning up regular leather shoes though. But yeah, $130. I do love the corduroy, like something different. Jordan 1 Low Golf right here with the tumbled leather. Presto Quick Strikes. These are the Hello Kitty version, pretty dope for $100. Remember, people were like going after those like crazy when they came out. Dude, got some Legacy 312s. Haven't seen those in a while. $145. Size 13. They got a Blazer Cause collab. See the Cause logo right there. They are Blazers. They are Blazers. Yeah, $140 for the size 13 right here. Air Force One highs. I don't know which version that is. It is different than just the regular version. It does have really premium leather as well. 400. What the hell? 400. All right, what the F are these? What the hell are these? I'm just not aware of these. Does have a nice little buckle that goes around with a metal buckle, but $400? What the hell? What the hell are these? Yeah, $400. That's definitely the most expensive shoe I've ever seen. That is crazy. Holy cow. Holy cow. Let me know if you guys know what that is. They have a couple of them. They got a couple of them here. Size 13 and 14 too. Yeah, they all listed $400. And then they got the Rex Quandos going for 180. Jordan 2s, Air Force One lows go for 190. Is this one of the is this one of the ambush ones? I believe so. Blazers right here, the Sakai Blazers going for 100. 15, you guys got these kind of the same old. Yeah, 15s right here and right here. That's it. And then these are size 17s right here. Going for $150. All right, we're gonna see what they got in the aisles. They do have a lot of Team Jordans, the lift-offs. Got a bunch of those. Got 200s right here, 6 rings. Then look at this. Look at this. If I can find this for like 30% off or something. I know some of the boutique stores had this for hella cheap. I'm so mad that I missed out on these. These are fire, dude. UNC University Blue. Jordan 2 lows. Man, these are fire. So like these. Got some pretty nice leather on it. Yeah, I'm definitely got to grab. Not for $150 though. Afro Beats Jordan 7s. Got some mids right here. And some lows with a lot of Jumpman logos on it. There. One right here. That's just weird. Then do got some Jumpman 2021s in between those. And do got some Luca 1s. This is a dope colorway. Black Oreo or something. The splatter paint right there. And then more and more Team Jordans. Got fadeaways, 2 trays, Max Auras, and more W0s. Look at this. Holy cow. Zoom separates. Holy cow, look at this. This would bring it down to under, no, it'd be like $31 or something. No, it'd be under $30. Holy cow. Holy cow, that is insane. I think this would be $28 if my math is correct. 28 freaking dollars. Wow, I'm surprised the resellers haven't picked all this up, especially with full box and everything. And Zoom 92s, remember who made a collab with these? So it was a Travis Scott collab, like that. Someone had a collab with these. I'm trying to remember who they were. Got some Jordan Play Slides, Hydro 8s, which don't look like anything like 8s. They should have like 2 straps instead of just one. Another one of those. Jordan 36 lows. Got 37. These are the undefeateds. Undefeated right there. Pretty fire. And Jordan Access. That's pretty much all the J's. Cosmic Unities right here. Team Bank colorway. Regular one right here. Jaw 1s. Immortality 2s. GT Cut 2s. FAMU colorway of the LeBron 7s. Witness 6s. $50, hella cheap. $100 for this one. $100 for this one. That's retail. Yeah, it says retail 105. These did not retail for 105. But yeah, I got these right here. That's cheaper than $50. Huh? Ugly colorway though. Got black and white. Immortality 2s. Got several of these, mostly black. Zoom Freak 4s, KD Tray 59s, a couple of these. Like I said, a few of these. Got the Tray 10 here, SB Alley-Oops, Flight 89s, a couple different colorways. And they really have a lot of sneakers in the aisles. Now I think of that. Blazer mids, the Kais right here, Dunk mids. Do they really have a bunch of Dunk mids here? I feel like I only saw a couple of these at the retail stores. Did some come straight here? Got all canvas on right here. Dunk lows. And my voice is gone from all that yelling. Dude got penny 2s, Flight 89s. Dang, they got some legit stuff too. Look at that price. Regular Force highs. Can't believe these are not going on sale. But then would think these would move slower than the collabs. All white right here. Oh, I look back, one was a mid, one was a high. This one is a mid. Another one right here. Got 3 different rows of these. The OG white. And even got the ambush ones right here. Wow. Think I'm done with the aisles. Just keeps like it's going on forever. Like the selection's not bad. 270s. Just not paying retail for any of that. Plenty of people are though. Scorpions. Multiple colorways of these. We've been seeing these at the retail stores for like $150, I think. 2017s, where these are present at every outlet, are ones that I've been to at least. I have a couple pair. I paid like 60 and I paid like 100 for mine. All right, I feel like I'm doing this forever. Got so many freaking sneakers. Even over here, got 3 more aisles of the men's right here. But most of it is stuff that we've seen at most of the other outlets. But they got these 2 right here. These are the Air Max 1 Premium. These are the corduroy bad boys right here. Going for $100. We got its cousin right here, the blue one. Kind of like this one a little bit better. But yeah, $100. Maybe we'll see it cheaper. We got these premium bad boys right here as well. Man, material's just, woo. Material's just ridiculous on that. I don't know if you guys watch Rose Anvil. He does take apart boots and sneakers, and he's also like he was in the something with manufacturing leather or something like that, and he's explained it's not all about how it feels, because Nike does trick us. Well, all shoe companies, including Nike, tricks us with some of the materials. So something could feel really good and it still is like just really crappy leather, but I don't know leather like that, so it is what it is. But yeah, I do got these right here, $75. These are Nike pullovers, super premium material, $130. Get an extra 30 off, not bad. Then of course we are going to check out the clearance apparel. Gotta check out the clearance apparel, see if they got any steals. That's embroidered on, which is pretty dope. It's like a medium, I want to say, oh no, it's light, it's lightweight. $20, $20, are you serious? Couple of XLs. Got some of these Tech Fleece feeling hoodies right here. I don't think it is Tech Fleece, but yeah, $110, holy crap. That's $109 actually, but damn, that's a lot. Probably is Tech Fleece with all that, damn, with those prices. These are Tech Fleece hoodies right here. We've seen these go for a lot cheaper. These are $110. I'm not digging that material though. Who's this right here? Is that Sue? Oh, Hutchinson. Got a Hutchinson jersey. This is a large. I don't know if he's still with them. You know, I've watched a bunch of their games, but yeah, $175 for those. Like really? Who's wearing this? Like really? $70 for those. Leopard print. What is this? A sweater? Leopard print sweater. This is one of the other racks right here, and we're seeing a lot of the same stuff. Yeah, nothing much. Got these right here. Trying to remember which Jordan. I think this is like a Jordan 9 that this match with. Those are going for $28. But the racks are pretty much the same, not really much. Sneaker section has been really ridiculous here. Like they had a really good selection, all kinds of dope stuff. Pretty legit prices. Apparel, I don't really see much. Like that stuff on sale. Like this is 30% off. So like $30, but look at the color, and like they have a whole freaking rack of this. These pullovers ain't bad. I just can't do white. I get dirty like if I just look at it wrong. $95. These are hella premium, but just way too expensive. Like this black one's pretty fire. Yeah, but premium materials, but definitely premium price tag at $85, even with the 30% off. That's still what, $60? A lot of the clothes is extra bright too. Like, is that what? people are wearing. Like, this is running stuff. Is that what people wear when they go running and stuff? I don't know. I don't know, but I'm searching. Got some running training tights right here. If that's your thing and that's what you wear, $30, you get an extra 40% off. They got some over there as well. One thing I did notice, they didn't really have any refurbished merch here, which is kind of crazy. Most of that Nike outlets I've been to lately have at least some refurbished stuff. I don't see any here. This is the women's clearance section. We'll take a look at a few things and then we're gonna bounce because I need to go back to the comedy festival. I did check the huge sections, huge relatively, like 10.5, size 11, see if I could find anything for a couple of kiddos, but didn't really find anything. So Infinity Run Flyknit, 8.5, $150? Really? I guess it's not like that with everything. Like the Dunk high ups, these are the dunks that nobody really wants. $70 for those. The extra dunks like throw people off. Air Max 97s, $175. I feel like this is a refurbished box, isn't it? Or it's just one of the recycled ones. I don't know. $175, way too high. Jordan 1 Elevates, $145. Just everything full price. You do get the 30% off, but just full price, $120. Like, these dunks are really dope. I'm a big fan of these. This canvas, $135 though. Prices, everything regular price in the women's though. What's up with that? I got these ugly things right here going for $80. These are awful looking. They call it the Air Force One Lover XX. What the hell? Yeah, $175 for these. Yo, women's section, extra mediocre. Holy cow, man. Even those are regular price. Those are size 7. All right, I think we're gonna wrap it up. Maybe I'll show you some of the footage from the comedy festival that I'm at. Maybe I'll show you some of that stuff. I don't think I can show much because can't really show comics materials, but let's see what I can show you guys. Let's see what I can show you. And I think this might be the last vlog in Vegas. See, Metro PD right there too. I told you guys Metro PD at every Nike outlet. All right, go check out this other footage. Shaku! Ellis Mania Skate Fest.
Mine definitely works. Watch Angel the security guy.
What is this? Blindfold.
I say
Blindfold karate.
Well, this is how they elect the president of South Korea, by the way.
They also have dog collars on when they get shocked randomly.
What?
this is what Saul would be like if Jigsaw was like 50 IQ points dumber.
All right.
Musical chair boxing. Musical chair boxing.
And turn.
Or musical chair kung fu. My bad. Musical chair kung fu. None of these fools really know how to do it.
Just so you know, the winner of this fight will receive a gift voucher to go to the shooting range where they can shoot all different kinds of machine guns and shit for as long as they want. It's very expensive. Compliments of Dark Alliance firearms. All right, 1 minute. May the best kung fu artist win. Fight. Dylan with a, woo, it's pretty cool, but it didn't work. Turn with the body kick. Checks and then shoots to the body. Nice shot by Term. He's up right now.
Use your head, Dylan. Your perfectly flat head.
It's a game of footsies right now, guy. Oh!
Term lands a kick.
Come on, guys.
We got a champ. We do have a champ. We do have a champ. I'm gonna get copyright striking. Yeah, I'm done. So this is the downtown location. You can see the Strip, which is right there, Stratosphere. You can see Encore, see a few of the other hotels. Then you can see downtown. Right here you can see the Circa. See, can't really see the crappy hotel I'm staying at. Damn, I didn't even show what I'm wearing, huh? Got a Magic jersey on. Gotta represent LA, right? And then Infinity Run Flyknits. Like your colorway, I grabbed that for like 30 bucks. All right, see you. And look at this, $5 for parking. This is why your boy has a membership program. If you want to contribute, help your boy out, check out that membership, man.